Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who subscribed today or who have subscribed so far and watched my videos. And I hope you enjoy my videos too. I'm trying to do a bit of a mixture on my channel at the moment because I'm trying to find what I enjoy doing as well as what you enjoy doing. A lot of my videos seem to be fashion based at the moment because fashion is my everything actually. And then it's quite a lot of lifestyle. But if you do have any suggestions or you've liked any of my videos recently or way back last year, let me know in the comments down below because I would like to know, because I'd like your ideas on what videos you like to watch of mine, so I can move on a little bit or use your ideas as well as mine. So last month my Papergang was a disaster. Well, actually it was a good box, but it was a disaster. It never got here in time. So I blogged it. I'll leave that in the link down, the link to that in the description box down below. But I am back this month. It arrived perfectly early, which is brilliant because I'm just about to hop on a plane to go to Spain. Or actually, by the time this comes out, I will have just arrived in Spain or been there a day anyway. So it's perfect. I've got this up in time for you. Everything is scheduled. So you've got blogs, vlogs, and Instagram posts pretty much every day on all of my social media platforms, so you won't miss me. There will be them coming out. So this is the box this month. Dinosaur themed. And then on the back you can make a dinosaur, like origami. And this box, I believe, was created by one of their subscribers. So this is a monthly subscription box for stationery, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that the winner won and designed, so I will go into that more when I go into it. So again, like normal, it's a cardboard box with the sleeve. So this is the cardboard box, and this is totally new to me as well, so I can show you absolutely everything today. This has got the navy blue tissue paper with everything in, and it tells you how Papergang works here. And I'll open tissue paper now and go through everything with you. So I'm going to open... Oh my god, I've just looked at something that obviously this is brand new to me, so I've not seen, but I love that. Oh my god, can't wait. Okay, so yeah, I was right, this is by the winner. So this is the Papergang booklet, and it says your winner. At the start of 2018, we had a competition to design your own Papergang box. There were over 2,000 entries, and it drew down to 4, and then this is the one they've picked, and her name is Beth Tibbles. So it tells you a bit about Beth. The first page tells you how much everything is, and then she goes a bit more onto Papergang and about her designing and the advice on it, and just a bit more about Papergang. And then if you want to refer a box, if you haven't heard of Papergang before, again, or you'd like to check it out, that is in the description box down below. This box costs me £10 plus £2.50 postage each month, and I know you can ship this worldwide now because one of my viewers, she now buys this box and she's from America, and she's found me through Papergang actually, and she bought this book. Well, she bought last month, so I hope she's got this month's too. But this is my Papergang, and I hope there's not many spoilers for you, but this is the first things I got, or all of what I got. So the first thing I've picked out, I'll show you, tell you the prices as well, and it'll be good. The first thing I've picked out is a pin, and it's just a pink dinosaur, and it's really cool, and it's a bit hip and trendy, and I'm getting more into dressmaking and stuff like that, creative again, so this is quite cool. Something I've just brought actually because I've been at the knitting and stitching show all day in London, so this is quite cool. And if you wanted to buy this on its own without the box, it's £5.95, and this is a pin. I think pins you can put on bags, you can put on coats, you can put on anything really, dungarees, you name it. and I really like the colour of the dinosaur, and I just think it's cute. I actually like the pink and multicoloured spots on the navy blue, because navy blue seems to be my favourite colour at the moment. So the next thing I have got is this birthday card, which actually I used one of my birthday cards from Papergang the other month, and I loved it, and actually the lady who I gave it to loved it too. And this says go wild on your birthday, and again it is dinosaurs, and you can see the ring light in the reflection. And it's a same theme-ish thing, and this would be £2.50 if you want to buy it on its own from Oh Dear. I love it. Again, it's dinosaur-y. It's like childish, teenish, but adult like at the same time. You probably know one of my friends loves dinosaurs and she's a grown adult, so this is something I could give her, but it depends on the time, but this is one I could give her. But I love that. I love the dinosaur kind of theme going on here. The next thing I have got, which you can't buy but you can only get this in your Papergang, is the per month like calendar sheet, and this is for December. So it goes with the theme being like bright pink, but it's a Christmas tree. I mean, this is super cute, and all of you that follow me on Instagram know I use these every month to create posts, like hello whatever month. So this will be December's one, so watch out for the 1st of December on my Instagram. All my social medias are down below as well. If you do want to follow me on any of them, you can. But I love this, and I love the bright colourness of it. It's not really Christmassy, it's the girly touch, but again it's not got dinosaurs all over it, and the Christmas tree brings in the Christmas bit of it. So yeah, you can't buy this, you can only buy this in a Papergang box. So I think this is true, but I can't remember if it's 2 or 3 months, but on Papergang's or Oh Dear's Papergang website, you can go back and buy the last 2 or 3 months boxes, and then, so if you liked my September box, which was on my blog, you could go and buy that one on its own, and then if you went to order this box today, you wouldn't get my October box, you would only get it from November onwards. And this is just a month by month subscription, so you can cancel it whenever you want to, which is really good as well. So yeah, if you wanted to get the last few months, you could, but if you did start the subscription today, it wouldn't go live as such until next month. So the next thing I've got, which I really love, and I'm going to use this in my living room because it's actually my living room colours, even though my living room is really not dinosaur. It's a navy blue, pink, purple, or it's multicoloured with navy blue background dinosaur coaster. Again, it just adds that bit of fun into adulthood, I guess, and I just love the colours on it, and that is my colours of my living room, basically. So if you wanted to buy the coaster, again, if you wanted to buy the coaster on its own, you just go on the Oh Dear website, that's £2.95. The next thing, I've just seen something that is just amazing for me, but the next thing that I have found is wrapping paper. Now, I find this wrapping paper really handy. I've used all of my wrapping paper so far. It's the same print. It's the same print, so it's the pink with the dinosaurs all over it, which is great, and I could use that for my niece or for an adult, just as like fun wrapping paper. And if you wanted to buy that gift wrapping paper, that is £1.75 on its own. And then the final thing I have got in this, which is something that I use often, I've got my planner that is on my wall, which you should have seen in my self-care video last week, and I love this. I love my planner, but I love ones like this because you can put them up on the wall and stuff like that. So this is a weekly planner, and it's dinosaur theme again. So it's got my week, like with the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, doodles, notes, and to do. And I think I will use this. I might even use this for work because it'd be quite good, because I've got quite a lot of projects going at the moment and stuff like that, so that would really help me to have something like this on at work. If not, I will use this when my planner runs out, but I do love this. In fact, I could have two, couldn't I? Because I have one in here already, which I have not updated in, well, for ages I've not updated it, but I could have one for here and one for out there. My planner out there I use all the time, so I would use this too. But I love this. I just love the colours, I love the print, how girly it is, but it's dinosaur, which is kind of like boyish. I just love that. So that is everything I have got in my Papergang box for this month. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with me, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below your favourite thing from this box, and if you would or do get Papergang yourself, what did you get in yours? And please also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!